Hello, my name is Sadaf Katie, also known as Yoga with Sadaf Katie. I am online fitness trainer. Join me today for a quick class on how to relieve in your shoulder pain. Hope you were able to relax during the session. Keep your eye out for the next one. Okay, sit down on thunderbolt pose, bringing your shoulder up and down, up and down, up and down. Last one, up and down. Now change for the thread and needle. Bringing your right hand up, right hand towards your left side, right shoulder down, hip down, left hand over your head. Stay here for 5, 4, 3, 2, hip up, hands forward, left hand back, slightly twist. For 5, 4, 3, 2, bring your left foot out of the mat, knees up on your toes, left hand on your back, shoulder back, twist and turn around. Stay here for 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Release the pose. Sit down again. Same with your left hand. Bring your left hand up, left hand on your right side, left shoulder down, right hand over your head. For 5, 4, 3, 2, hip up, left hand forward, right hand over your head. For 5, 4, 3, 2, bring your right leg out of the mat, knees up on your toes, right hand on your back, shoulder back, twist and turn around. Stay here for 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1 and relax. For the puppy pose, first sit down and tabletop. Your both hands parallel to your knee, underneath your shoulders. Both hands forward, chest down, chin down. Stay here for 5, 4, 3, 2 and release the pose. Hands back and sit down. Hope you like the session. Stay tuned for more.